Hello, Martin from Amed again. It's a beautiful day here in Amed, as always, between March and December. So now it's November, so that's why it's amazing weather here. And we still don't have any rain. There was like a couple of days when it was a little bit rain, but now it's gone again. And yeah, we just keep doing what we love. In my episodes, you've seen a lot of freediving and diving. You haven't seen technical diving yet, but I promise soon it will happen as well. So, and today there is always this discussion about what is better, diving or freediving, and I would like to just explain this one to you. This is absolutely incomparable things. That's even different psychology. It's like the same to compare the truck and Ferrari, right? Both has a lot of horsepowers, but it's actually the mission of each of these cars is absolutely different. So that's what I would like to talk about today. Like, for example, if you're going to take some photos, like usually people do, they do snorkeling and then taking photos. Then what you can do here in Amed, right? So it's like, is adapt for you as a snorkelers to take some creatures is shallow enough, because you are definitely are limited with a depth. So basically, if you want to take some good shots, I think the maximum depth you can do it as a snorkeler is only 2 meters. So it's kind of depth where you can stay a little bit longer, so you can take a shot, or it will be just click and then you just pray that the shot is good enough. I think that's one of the benefits what the diving gives you, because you are not limited with this time. Right, so if you're doing the underwater photography in a deeper water, then of course you are limited by time, because the no stop time, right? So that's the thing. Let's see how what will be the outcome of this, and yeah, I just want to show you what is the difference of these two things. Okay, first I'm going as a diver, right? Then I film myself from the side, so you can see how different is it. So yeah, that was my diving. If you ask me which kind of diving I like more, I like all of them. I like recreational diving, I like free diving, and I like technical diving. Just there is a different purpose of all of them. Like for example, if you're going to film something underwater, or you just wanna enjoy the being in the water without the stress, you just do the normal diving. If you wanna a little bit learn about your body and a little bit how to control your body, then it's free diving. Free diving is diving of emotions. Like, so first of all you learn how to hold your breath, and then you're fighting with all these contractions and that stuff, and then you learn how to relax. Probably you start doing yoga just to enjoy this diving. Otherwise free diving can be really stressful for you. Technical diving, there is another purpose, because technical diving gives you a chance to see something no one else can see, just because you can go deeper. But something I don't like about the technical diving is that this long decompression stops. That's like kind of boring stuff. But what I'm actually happy about here in Bali, in Amed, this stops is really interesting, because on a 6-meter depth there is a lot of stuff you can see, and it's amazing. Like I never did that cool decompression stops as here in Amed. So that's why, yeah, if you're considering to do any technical diving, I think Amed is really good place for that. So yeah, I wish all of you to try all these types of the diving, because judging others, like sometimes scuba divers say to the free divers it's just back and forth. Free diver says you don't understand anything about the diving, only free diving is a cool. It's not right. Free diving definitely need a little bit longer training. I mean, if you want to go deeper, and again, it's not about the depth in free diving, it's more about the emotions, more about the relaxation. Well, scuba diving, yeah, just put a tank on, go in the water, and it's completely different purpose. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching today again. See you tomorrow again, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.